Good morning, students. Today, let us see penetration test. Right now, penetration testing, it is also known as pen testing or ethical hacking. It is an advanced offensive form of security testing designed to provide a deep technical analysis of a target environment's vulnerability to exploitation and attack. It goes beyond basic risk assessment and automated techniques. It relies on the expertise of a skilled security professional who follows a test process to conduct an authorized simulated attack to evaluate security. It results in a report listing identified vulnerabilities and recommend mitigations. Right. So it is defined as a legal and authorized attempt to locate and successfully exploit computer systems for the purpose of making those systems more secure. The process includes probing for vulnerabilities as well as providing proof of concept attacks to demonstrate the vulnerabilities are real. This is a phase of penetration testing. The overall process of penetration testing can be broken down into a series of steps or phases. When put together, these steps form a comprehensive methodology for completing a penetration test. Right. So the testing process includes reconnaissance, enumeration, vulnerability analysis, exploitation, and reporting. So the benefits of penetration testing are maintaining compliance, preventing cyber attack, avoiding costly security incidents, keeping cyber security professionals up to date. Let us see the various phases one by one. Reconnaissance. The tester will try to find out as much information as possible about the target environment through available sources such as search engines, DNS, mailing list, and so on. Here, what will happen is the test gathers all the information, right? The goal is to gather as much data as possible as the tester can plan an effective attack strategy. The second one is scanning. Here, the tester uses various tools to identify the ports to check the network traffic on the target system. Because open ports are potential entry points for attackers, penetration testers need to identify as many open ports as possible for the next penetration testing phase. Next is our vulnerability assessment, that is weakness. The third penetration testing phase is vulnerability assessment, in which the tester uses all the data gathered in the reconnaissance and scanning phases to identify the potential weakness and determine whether they can be exploited. Much like scanning, vulnerability assessment is a useful tool on its own but is more powerful when combined with the other pen testing phases. Exploitation. Here, vulnerabilities detected during testing will be exploited to determine their impact on scope. If possible, the tester will leverage any advantage gained through exploitation to penetrate further into the environment within the defined scope and agreed upon rules of engagement. The next one is reporting. That is, we should report all the findings. At the conclusion of the agreed upon test window, the tester will provide a report of findings that includes a list of vulnerabilities found and validated. Right. So the report generated in this final penetration testing phase can be used to fix any vulnerabilities found in the system and improve the organization's posture. Later, a meeting will be scheduled with the ethical hacker who performed the test to discuss findings and important remediation steps and activities. Thank you, students.